Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to launch your own online store but don't know what to start, don't worry. Today I will show you exactly how to create an e-commerce website step by step, quick, easy and perfect for beginners. So here we are going to choose a platform. First of all, there is a couple of platforms out of there in the market. One is Wix, Squarespace or Shopify. For the video we are going to use the beginner friendly platform that's called Shopify. So Shopify will be the perfect one. As you can see, we're already landed in here. Why I chose Shopify? Because Shopify, when we create a Shopify account and we are newbie, we will get 3 days free trial. Not only the 3-day trial, you will get couple of other offer. Let me clarify to you, that is you will get 3 months for $1 per month. Only $3 will be cost for 19 days, so that is really amazing to experience with my website. So that's why we choose this platform. So when you create an account, you will get to see this kind of an interface. Like this is the dashboard. So here you just need to be pick and customize your theme. So how you can do it, you just need to be go to this online store. Once you click over here, then you will get to see the theme panel, and here you can choose your theme. Like Shopify has a bunch of free and paid themes. Choose one of that fits your brand style. Then you just need to be click onto the customize to open Shopify drag and drop editor. Here you can add your logo, choose colors, fonts and arrange sections like site, slideshow, feature, products and testimonials. No actual coding is needed here. It is really simple. If you want to remove this one, you can remove this. Just click this one. If you want to add the logo, just select this one and then click in setting, and here you can easily add your logo. You can change color, typography, layout, add animations, whatever you want you can do with this editing options. Now you just need to be add your product when you feel that your design is quite good for right now. Then you just need to go to the main panel again and then come back to this product page. Once you come over here, then here you just need to be add your product. So here you just need to click on this button, and here you just need to be provide a decent title, then a good, clear but catchy detailed description. Then you just need to be upload a picture over that place which will be high quality, and then you just need to be set your price and stock level. Let me give one tip for you. Like always use keywords in your product titles and description to keep people find your store on Google. Then once you feel that your product already been uploaded, and now you just need to be set up your payment and shipping and also the domain. How you can do it, you just need to be go to the setting. You just need to be go over here and then select payments. Once you click over here, and now you can choose your payment method. Just click over here and you just need to be choose your payment method. It could be Shopify payments, PayPal or others method. Then when you set up your payments, you just need to be setting your shipping. That for reason you just need to be click over here shipping and delivery. From that place you will find out the options in the top that call shipping. Here you just need to be click this one and then set your price. You can set it here. It's totally up to you. Once you set it up, finally you just need to be connect your domain. So here you just need to be come over here to the domain, and from that place you can connect existing domain, or you can purchase a domain from that place which will cost around $20. So it's really easy. So once you're done, you just need to be go to launch your website. So how you can do it? So that for reason you just need to be go over here to the online store, and when you come over that place, you will see a message here that is your online store is password protected. To remove the password, you just need to pick a plan. When you pick a plan, then you can easily launch your website. Before you launch, preview your store on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks great. Do a quick test order if you want to double check that checkout works. When you are ready, just pick a Shopify plan, remove the password page and hit publish. Congrats, your e-commerce website is live, ready to make sales. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.